Hey there and welcome back to Cooking Club Tuesday. So today I'm going to be making lemony white beans and wilted arugula. It should be no surprise to you by now though that I'm going to be making substitutions for whatever I have in my fridge. So instead of arugula, I'm going to be using kale, and then instead of the suggested parsley and basil, I'm just going to be using a basil paste. So here's what you'll need. Some shrimp, I've got jumbo here. Greens, so I've got kale but you can use arugula. Bacon, lemon juice, olive oil, cannellini beans, herbs of your choice. I've got basil here, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and lemon and garlic. All right, let's get started. This was such a simple recipe, but so delicious and healthy for you too. Got all my shrimp here and my wilted greens. So this is gonna be a really good one to make in the summer when everyone's herbs start popping up in the garden. You can use handfuls of parsley and basil and it'd just be absolutely delicious. So I got this recipe from the Hero Dinners cookbook that I used last week too. I'm kind of cooking my way through it because there are just so many good recipes in it.